Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can download Amazon Flex app. To do that, what you need to do is open the Google Play Store on your phone device. So as you are using the Android, you need to go to the Google Play Store. On the search bar, you type in Amazon Flex app and press enter. As you can see, you did not see any result for the Amazon Flex application. So what you can do is you can go to the Google Chrome on your phone. Then on the search bar, you can type in Amazon Flex app and press enter. This will give you this option and you need to tap on the very top link. Tap that from the search result. You can use your own vehicle to deliver packages for Amazon as a way of earning extra money to move you closer to your goals. Amazon Flex app lets you drive with Amazon. As Amazon delivers millions of items each year, you can be a delivery person simply by scanning the QR code right using on your iPhone or Android camera. So once you're at this page, you will see the option of download the Amazon Flex app. You just tap that and the downloading process for this application has begun. The Amazon Flex app is not yet available on Google Play Store, so the download process may look a little different, but you can still download the application from a website. So once the download is completed, you tap that. Now tap on that file and tap on open. Do you want to install this application? Tap on install. The installation is completed. Tap on open. So this is a way how you can download the Amazon Flex application, as you cannot download it from the Google Play Store. There you can see the application. Now you can sign in or you can create an account over here. So this is a way how you can download Amazon Flex application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.